Why does my HVAC breaker keep tripping? Your heating and cooling system's breaker trips because the unit is pulling more electricity than it can safely handle, usually caused by a dirty air filter, a struggling motor, or a loose wire. Think of the breaker like a tiny guard protecting your wires from overheating. When your cooling system works too hard, like when the filter is clogged or the outdoor coils are covered in dust, it pulls extra power, and the guard shuts everything off to prevent a fire. A lot of people don't know that a dirty filter is one of the sneakiest causes, since it blocks airflow and forces the compressor to strain. Something else barely anyone talks about is that a breaker can weaken after tripping many times, kind of like a rubber band losing its snap, so even after the real problem is fixed, the old breaker might still trip. A quick thing you can do today is turn off the system, check the filter, and swap it out if it looks gray or clogged, since that alone solves it surprisingly often. One common mistake is resetting the breaker over and over without finding the real cause, which can damage wiring or spark a fire. So if it trips more than once in a day, get it checked instead of just flipping it back on. Another misconception is thinking a bigger breaker will fix things, but that actually removes the safety limit protecting your wires, so never upgrade it yourself. People also forget that outdoor units get blocked by leaves and dust, forcing the whole system to strain, so give it a gentle hose down and clear space around it every couple of months. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.